Hi friends, this is your Lesson 22 exit ticket. So in your learning video, you should have learned all about the addition chart. Okay, remember the addition chart shows patterns in number sentences. Okay, so remember a pattern is something that's repeated over and over again. So this should look very familiar because you just saw it in your learning video. So what I want you to do is you will see that there are some gray boxes and there's also some white boxes that have a missing part. I want you to look at the chart and I want you to fill in the missing parts, so where you see this blank. Now remember friends, she went over in the video the pattern that you see down the rows. Do you remember what pattern you see in this row? I hope you said that all of these are adding a 0. Remember that word add-in? That means what is being added. So all of these have an add-in of 0. So what do you think goes in these three boxes? Then I want you to go to this row and continue over until all of the boxes in the addition chart are filled in. Once that is done, make sure you tear it out of your book, put your name at the top and put it on my back table, and then you'll be ready for the next part of your math block.